The rise of AI slop. How to spot machine-generated content. The internet is currently facing a flood of what many are calling slop, a massive influx of generic, low-substance, machine-generated content. While this text often appears professional and adheres to perfect grammatical rules, it frequently lacks depth, personality, and factual accuracy. As large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT and Claude become more sophisticated, the line between human and machine writing is blurring. This creates a significant challenge for educators, employers, and readers attempting to discern authentic human thought from automated output. Identifying the AI voice. Detecting AI doesn't necessarily require specialized software. Often, it simply requires a keen eye for specific linguistic patterns. AI models tend to follow predictable structures that differ significantly from natural human expression. Common red flags. The Wikipedia voice. Text that is grammatically flawless but soulless. It often feels clinical, detached, and overly formal. Predictable vocabulary. AI has a penchant for certain cliches. Frequent use of words like tapestry, delve, or multifaceted can be a telltale sign. Prompt parroting. One of the most obvious signs is when the writing repeatedly uses the exact key terms from the original prompt. Instead of synthesizing information, the AI often acts like an SEO-driven bot, defining terms rather than demonstrating an understanding of them. The summary bow. AI models have a habit of wrapping every response in a neat, repetitive conclusion, often starting with the phrase, "in conclusion." Hallucinations. Because AI predicts the next likely word rather than consulting a database of truths, it can confidently present entirely fabricated facts as reality. Strategies for educators and professionals. For those in positions of authority, such as professors or managers, the challenge is not just identifying AI, but building a framework to maintain academic and professional integrity. Establish a baseline to know when a voice has changed. You must first know what the real voice sounds like, requiring students or employees to submit a short, personal, and low-stakes writing sample, e.g., a story about a childhood memory at the start of a term provides a human baseline. This allows you to compare future assignments against their authentic style. Use the tools against themselves to understand the capabilities of your competitors. Try using AI to complete your own assignments. By seeing exactly how ChatGPT or Claude handles your specific prompts, you become better equipped to recognize the patterns in the results they produce. The rewrite test. If you suspect a piece of writing is AI generated, try feeding it into an AI tool and asking it to rewrite the text. Often, the AI will perform a lazy rewrite, simply swapping synonyms while maintaining the exact same structure. If the original and the rewrite are nearly identical in logic and flow, you are likely looking at machine-generated content. Leverage detection software. While human intuition is vital, specialized tools like GPT-0 or Smodden can assist by scanning assignments against known AI patterns. These should be used as supporting evidence rather than absolute proof. The broader context. Why this matters. The proliferation of AI-generated content isn't just a problem for grading papers. It is a fundamental shift in how we consume information. When the barrier to producing content drops to near zero, the value of originality and critical thinking rises. The goal for educators and leaders is not merely to catch users, but to foster an environment where the process of learning and creating is more rewarding than the shortcut of automation. Conclusion. Detecting AI requires moving beyond checking for grammar and instead looking for the human imperfections, the unique rhythms, personal insights, and stylistic quirks that machines cannot yet authentically replicate.